Hello, First Flight Seahawks. Welcome to the 2020-21 school year. I'm Diane Childress, principal here at First Flight Middle School, and right beside me is
Drew Hudspeth.
She is our new assistant principal. We are excited to be serving as your child's principals and cannot wait to see what the school year brings. As you know, we are beginning the year remotely, which means that instead of walking into a brick and mortar building on August 17th, you will be opening up your Chromebook to the learning management system, which is your classroom. When you picked up your Chromebook, you should have received your username and password along with login reminders. Be sure to practice logging in and know how to get to your email and Google Classroom or Canvas before August 17th.
To ease us back into the school year, the week of August 17th will be an orientation week. Your teachers will reach out to you and introduce themselves and answer any questions that you may have. They will also assign daily videos and work to help you, the students and parents, with some of the procedures and applications during remote learning. Please make sure that you complete these assignments so that you are ready to roll with your teacher's instruction on August 24th.
In an effort to make school easier at home, we recommend finding a quiet and comfortable place for your child to work. Although we're not requiring supplies at this time, it might be a good idea to set up a little office with a 3-ring binder, some notebook paper, and some pens and pencils. Some teachers may require additional supplies and will be sure to let you know as soon as possible. It would also be a good idea to encourage your child to create a schedule where he or she can focus on school at a certain time each day.
Our teachers will also be following a schedule with most Google Meets occurring between 9 and 12. Every Friday, you will be given a week-at-a-glance schedule so that you will know what days to be ready. Attendance is required and will be taken daily. Students will need to log into each Google Classroom daily and mark that they are present with all of their teachers. Participation in Google Meets and completion of work will also go towards attendance. Lastly, grades will be given similarly to when we are in school. If you don't complete an assignment, you will be given a 0 until it's completed. Students will also be able to work towards mastery.
Thank you, Ms. Hudspeth. Now I'd like to introduce to you some really important people around here. Ms. Holly King is our instructional technology facilitator who is a lifesaver during remote learning. And after she speaks, we will have Ms. Gibbons and Ms. Brown, who are our amazing counselors, share some information with you as well.
Hello, my name is Holly King, and I have the best job in the world, especially during remote learning. I'm the instructional technology facilitator here at First Flight Middle School. We have been so busy this summer making sure all of our Seahawks have access to digital tools and apps to make remote learning especially successful. We recognize that this is new for everyone, and we may experience hiccups. Remember, we're all on the same team. Parents, teachers, and students together can work to remove those barriers, address technology problems, and get you back on track as soon as possible. As soon as you get your Chromebook, please check your username, password, and access to all of the apps that your teachers will be using. They will provide you with these links during the first week of school. If you ever need assistance, please reach out. You can find me at school every single day, and it is my goal to make this year the best yet. Go Seahawks!
Hi Seahawks, I'm Miss Brown. I'm the 6th grade counselor and 7th grade N through Z. We're really excited to see you guys this year.
Gibbons, and I'm the 7th grade counselor with students with the last name A through M, and I'm also the 8th grade counselor. Welcome back to First Flight Middle School. We're so happy to have you. First Flight Middle School, this is Mrs. Gibbons and Mrs. Brown, and we're here to cheer you on this year. We're going to be your counselors, and we're here to help you with anything you need, whether you need help with your classes, you need help with social emotional needs, you need help with friends, you want to talk about clubs, what we can do online, Miss Brown and Miss Gibbons are here to help. Welcome back, Seahawks. We love you and we missed you. We're going to have a good year.
Ms. Hudspeth and I, along with all of our teachers and staff, are committed to making the school year a success. We believe in building relationships, making instruction relevant, and focusing on authentic feedback. Please remember to communicate if you have questions, concerns, thoughts, or positive feedback. We want to make sure that we are meeting your students' needs during remote learning and beyond. We thank you for your willingness to follow the procedures and expectations during this time. I encourage parents and students to visit the school or district website to view their teachers' contact information. As we continue to work through these unprecedented times, it is paramount that we work together. Stay encouraged and stay safe. Take flight. Thank you.